340, meditation on leading a contemplative life. Like other religions, Buddhism includes a number of teachings that are studied in a speculative way and transmitted from master to disciple. But it is the contemplatives who discover the full depths of the teachings by bringing them alive through personal experience. Although there are few of them, they truly carry what we call the victory banner of spiritual practice. By means of mental calm and profound insight, they attain meditative experiences and inner realization, thereby breathing life into theoretical knowledge, which otherwise tends to be rather mythical or artificial. I can only encourage them. Meditate on that one.